Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file in Notion. So simply open the Notion app, go to the page where you want to add your PDF file and simply slash file, and here you can see choose a file and select the file manager where you have download your PDF file, and here you can see this PDF version. Simply tap on this option and tap on open. So here you can see this PDF file is add on Notion app, and if you want to see this, simply tap on here. So here you can see this PDF file, and that's a pretty easy way. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.